Excavator Max. Look, Max the excavator is building a town from bricks. 2 houses are finished already. Max, build us one more.
Opa!
Well done. Do you want to play?
Hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo!
Would you like to play hide and seek? We'll hide a surprise egg and you can look for it. Okay, turn around and close your eyes. No peeking. Where shall we hide the egg? On the roof? Oh, the egg is rolling down. On the slide? No, it's moving again. Let's just leave it here. Max, go and find the egg.
Oh?
The sandbox is empty. Near the tree, you're cold. Is it behind the hedge? No. Max, you should keep searching. Warmer, warmer. Burning! Here it is, a surprise egg. Let's open it. What is it? Toy parts. Let's assemble them. It looks like a big vehicle. What do we have? Have you guessed? What is it, Max? You're right. It's a road roller. Did you enjoy the hide and seek game? If so, come back again.